Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Skullcandy JIB True earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So to do this we have to charge this device for like 20 minutes with this micro USB port and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. In the next step we have to just open this charging case and then remove both earbuds, the left and the right one, and right now we have to just click and hold these two buttons together until indicators starts blinking blue and red. Right now release. Oh, I just turned them off, so let's repeat. Click and hold these two buttons one more time until indicators starts blinking blue and red. Right now release. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, click to pair new device, and from available devices list we have to select these earbuds. So click on them once, and as you can see we are successfully connected after accept the pairing mode. That's all for this video, hope you like it.